find on Alibaba. This one is another one. It's not the same as this search, supplier search. It works differently. And some users like this but more because it searches by a product image. So sometimes it finds the exact products and exact supplier of this dress. Let's just check. Okay. Well, you see, that's almost this, it's even the same image.
I think it's the
found
same. Yeah.
on Alibaba, right? Because if you type something like smoked ruffled shoulder smoked midi dress in this search bar here, you'll find thousands of different dresses. And our supplier search here, it'll find by keyword, it'll find a lot of dresses, but not that particular. If you want to find, I want to find this particular dress, it's better to use this button under the product, find on Alibaba by image. You see. Okay. You can also find this product, try to find on Google. You see. Again, very similar ones. Not the same. Oh, this one, Walmart. It's on Walmart as well. Let's click on it and check. Yeah, you can. It's not available, by the way. If it was, we could check the prices and and probably find an item to resell. And you can copy the ASIN for some other tasks that you have in mind.